Now more than ever, inflation is at its all-time high and cost of living is on the rise. You cannot depend on your one source of income to be able to survive the climb right now. That is why I decided to share with you 7 side hustles that is going to earn you money wherever you are in the world. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Titi Layo, and on this channel, I share recipes, business ideas, business conversations, and lifestyle. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get right into today's video. Number one on my list is virtual assistant. So a virtual assistant is someone who supports the specific needs of either an executive, a small business, a startup, or even a big company. So what you just need is to offer administrative role to your clients. So even if it's a small business, a startup, or even an executive, you're more like an assistant, but the good thing is that you work from home, it's online, and you can apply to jobs from any part of the world. So take for instance, you are based in Africa here, and you are applying for jobs in other parts of the world. That's foreign currency for you. And you know what that means if you're based here. Now, some of the basic knowledge that you need to have to be able to apply for these job roles are basic communication skills, time management, good use of social media. You'll be able to be on top of your game for social media. And of course, you need to have basic computer skills, Microsoft Office, be proficient with this Microsoft Office, and you're good to go. To increase your chances, you can take online courses, check Coursera and all of these other platforms that offer courses. You definitely see one course that is going to help you land these job roles. It's virtual, it's online, you work from home, and you're earning good money. Number two on my list is affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, all you need to do is sell somebody else's product online to get a commission. Simply put. So there are businesses, small business owner, authors that have written books or they have online courses and they are looking for people to help them market it. Now, once you help them market it, on each sale, you get a commission. Take for instance, you're a student, or even if you're not a student, you have a 9 to 5 work, you can do this on the side. If you have a good social media platform or you have colleagues, you have friends that you can market these products to, please go right ahead, market it to them and get a commission. The number of sales that you make will determine your commission, and you can push through to make this a very, very juicy side hustle for you. Now try this out and let me know your feedback in the comment section. 3, start a YouTube channel. For this one, all you need to do is to pick a niche. Now, once you pick your niche, start creating videos on this particular niche that you've chosen. Now, you need to create videos consistently because you have to get to a threshold to be able to get monetized. That's when you now start earning money. So, the number is to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So, you need to get 1,000 people to be subscribed to your channel, and they should have watched your video 4,000 hours time. I think you understand that. Now, you could pick any niche that you are interested in, that you know that you are knowledgeable in. It could be tech, you could be talking about gaming, you could be doing adventure, you could even be doing vlogs, like just showing us your lifestyle, anything you really want to do, like you are interested in, and you can consistently create videos around. Just start a YouTube channel and you start earning in dollars. So this is a very good side also. Some people just practically show us what they do daily in their life and they earn on YouTube. Like, how easy can that be? So you can even be at work and be making vlogs, and at the same time you are earning on YouTube, you are earning from your 9 to 5. Even if you're a student, this is something that you can consider doing. And I think creating a YouTube channel is one of the easiest way, one of the best side hustles that you can start. Pretty much easy. Just get your phone and record your videos. From there, you continue to improve and improve and improve. You get monetized, you make money, you continue to improve and improve, and life goes on. Isn't that sweet? Number 4, you can be a content creator for small businesses or even celebrities. Now, social media or the internet generally is always going agog with short videos that are quite thrilling. Like you would see different transitions, videos that are taken at specific angles, and some people are really so good at this. So if you are one of those persons that you know how to take great angles of videos, pictures, like you can edit, you are very proficient with editing videos, please go for this. How do you get this kind of job role? Post consistently on your social media. People will be able to notice you with that. So they see your portfolio, more like you're posting your portfolio. A small business might be able to reach out to you, or you reach out to these small businesses to be able to help them. You're not helping them, it's like a mutual relationship. You're working for them and they're going to pay you in return. They might have events. Like for me, I'm into cakes and desserts. If we go for dessert event, I want to focus on making very beautiful desserts. While if I hire you as a content creator, you are creating content while I'm doing that. If I just set up my tripod at one angle, I will just be getting one angle. If I hire somebody that is very creative and can edit videos, can take videos at different angles, it's going to make my work pop. And I'm less concerned about that for now. My business is growing and you are going to be earning money. So I'm just giving you practical example of how you can earn more money being a content creator for small businesses. You understand? So go get this done. If you know you can take videos at very great angles, you can edit these videos, and you can like catch our attention with this kind of videos. Go and improve your portfolio, keep posting, reach out to small businesses and even celebrities. Reach out to them to hire you and go get this money. Number 5, you can be a social media manager. Now, small businesses and even celebrities and startups and some companies need young people, young, vibrant people who are able to manage their social media. Now, I'm also a business owner. I'm all over the place. I want to be very, very proficient in what I do, which is to bake these cakes, make them beautiful. I don't want to worry about marketing on social media anymore. So I can easily hire somebody to do all of that for me. Market, understand, somebody who understands the language of social media. You'd be able to use it. Just bring in customers for me or represent me properly as a company or as a celebrity. You are pushing, your job role is just to push my brand or my face as a celebrity to people. Once more people visit my page, more people see my page, they will be able to buy from me. And the good thing about this kind of job role is that you can manage like numerous pages, numerous social media pages. At the same time, if you are so proficient with handling social media pages, you can do a lot of pages at the same time, and that's very, very good money. Like, and if you do very well for a particular business or a celebrity or a brand, they're definitely going to refer you to other people. That's sweet money, oil money if you ask me. So you should consider starting this kind of side also. You're going to make a lot of money, trust me. Number 6, be a UGC creator. So UGC means user generated content. Basically, what this means is that you are creating videos for brands to use on their pages. You might not necessarily post it on your page. So you get a product, you create content around it, using it. You're using the product or the service that they render to you, and then you are giving them that video to post for marketing on their own page. This is quite easy because you don't even have to create it, put it on your page, or be looking for customers for them. You're not like an influencer. It's more like an influencer, but you're not an influencer. What you just need to do is create this video for them. They would now put it up on their page. This one is very easy for between small business owner and a UGC creator. So for me, I can buy maybe an oven or a dessert stand or anything, and I'll record a video using this particular product. Then I'll now send it to the vendor that sent it to me. That's a small business that sent it to me for them to use it for promotion of their brand. They will now use this video for marketing purpose. That's the agreement. Sweet, sweet things. Just get the product, use it. It might be even clothes, it might be makeup products, it can be anything. Use this product, create content for them, give it to them, let them use it for promotional purposes. And you're making Good money. Like there's a whole lot of money if you can think about it. And you don't have to even go out every day for 9 to 5. You can even be a 9 to 5 person and still do this kind of side hustle. You can be a student, you can be a work from home mama. The last on my list is dropshipping business. Now, this is the sweetest. Isn't this the sweetest? This is how it works. All you need to do is like have a mutual relationship with a small business owner, and then you get pictures, videos, anything that you need to be able to show your own customers. You might post it on your social media, share videos and pictures. And then once the customer reaches out to get it, it is the vendor, that small business owner, that is going to send it to the customer. You take your own commission, and that's it. Very sweet something. Like it's very easy. Just keep on posting it, keep on sharing it on your socials. Once the customer needs it, the vendor sends it to the customer. The customer pays to either you or the vendor. You get your percentage, and that's it. That's it. You don't even need to store this product, like invest money in buying this product. You do not need to. Just keep on getting it from the person that has it, sell to your customer, and you make money. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Business Ideas and Side Hustle that you can start from the comfort of your home to increase your streams of income. And I hope you take an action. Do not procrastinate. Start now, start small, and dream big. You can do this. Remember, if you are new here, subscribe to the channel. So if you're part of the family, don't forget to click on that bell icon so that you'll be the first to get notified when I share new videos. Till I come your way again next time, my name remains Titilayo. I'll see you in my next video.